Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Jack with Sioux Falls Dent Repair. So I just wanted to kind of chat with you a little bit about today, some of the new things we have with the business going on here. So as I was just showing you a minute ago, check out okay, so it's backwards because it's forward facing. But anyways, so check out these new business cards I had created. So probably going, hey, what's up, Benny? You're probably going, holy freaking cow, what is going on here? See, notice how thick these are? They actually have a green edging to it to match our color scheme. I mean, how freaking cool is that? It comes with a QR code on there, so you can actually scan that with your cell phone, and you can have it actually set up to go basically to about whatever website you want, but I've got it set up to my SiouxFallsDentRepair.com website. But you're probably looking at this, maybe reading, scan with your phone, visit our website. What's this arrow going, what's this arrow going up to here for? So the reason why that is going up to the little Sioux Falls Dent Repair icon is actually going to be because, sorry, I'm getting used to this camera swapping around thing. Anyways, what that actually is there for is to put a not a QR code, sorry, I'm getting it backwards. To put down a, oh wow, now I'm gonna totally draw a blank on it. It's a NFC tag. So if you're not familiar with what an NFC tag is, basically, if you've been familiar with any of the new business cards kind of coming out, kind of the new trend, fad, whatever you want to call it, where they actually take a card, so basically what I'm going to show you here, take the card here and just tap it on the screen like I did there, tap it. It'll actually pull up a specific web page, or you can have it do quite a few different things on your business, which is absolutely fantastic. So think about it. Think about if you had those actually on your, hey, what's up, Wally? Thanks for the address, by the way. We'll be sending you a package here shortly. So anyways, the NFC tag allows you to take a business card and actually tap it on a phone. So new phone. So most people have, a fairly newer phone. And if you have NFC enabled, it actually allows you to pull up automatically your website, or maybe you've got a contact website landing page, for instance. So like, for instance, on myself, what I would maybe potentially look at doing here, and I haven't gotten the NFC tags actually yet, but maybe go to an actual contact page to where it's got not only our cell phone number here for the business, but also all the social media avenues. So like, we've got a YouTube page, obviously we're on Instagram here, and also Facebook and Twitter and everything like that. So you could literally just, click on that and boom, you're at, kind of see all of our platforms here, which would be absolutely, fantastic for, trying to get followers and whatnot. As far as today, we've got this Jeep Wrangler 2017 in here. This is actually from a local car lot. So obviously, well, they only circled the one dent, but we found quite a few different dents in it here. And you see, that's a big one there, as well as a couple big ones in the front of this hood here. So pretty hard to see without a paintless dent repair light, but anyways, that's what's kind of going on today. We're gonna get quite a few door dings and stuff like that, and just hood dents and all that kind of stuff taken out of this Jeep Wrangler, so that the shop here can get it actually all cleaned up and whatnot, and actually look at selling it. So anyway, so that's kind of what's going on here today, Monday at Sioux Falls Dent Repair. If you'd like to see about getting, potentially some of these new really sweet looking cards made up, we'd be more than happy to steer you in the direction of Dave Streen with Edgy. If you guys are familiar with Paintless Dent Repair, you know who Dave Streen is. He owns Edgy Tools. Holy cow, him and his crew there. It was actually Dent Repair, not Dent Repair, no, that's Gene. DentRepair.com, and his crew of guys over there are actually the ones that designed those cards. And dude, home run. I was actually working with another company to get a different style of card made up. They completely dropped the ball. They just were not like, their design team was not on par. But anyways, I don't need to get into all that. Anyways, Dave Streen, his crew made those cards. Fantastic, look beautiful. They're slick, good price, all that stuff. I mean, and one thing I know, talking with people about business cards, a lot of people get wrapped up in the whole, those business cards are expensive. Or whatever excuse people have, like, oh wow, them are really, thick and sharp, they must be expensive. Why would a business card be considered expensive? Like, I guess I understand the straightforward aspect of like, okay, well, I know you can go on what is it, Vistaprint, you know, some whatever online company. You're never going to talk to anybody. You generally make up a business card. And don't get me wrong, that was my business card all the way up until, well, this week. And they did great. They're fine. But when you want to take your business cards to the next level, contact a professional, an actual person, and get them dialed in as much as I did here. So they're absolutely fantastic. I can't wait to start handing them out to people. But anyways, I appreciate you guys checking out the video here, kind of checking out what we're doing this afternoon here. Well, finishing up there this afternoon here. And anyways, we'll see you on the next one. I'll actually be giving you guys an update tomorrow. And you take care, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. If you need to contact us for any type of dent repair needs, phone number here, 605-595-4061. If you're watching this on any other social media platform, the phone number is right on the page there for you to call, to click. And then you can also visit our website at SiouxFallsDentRepair.com for any repair needs. So anyways, take care, guys. Have a good night. Don't work too hard, too long. And we'll see you on the next one. Take care.